Hi guys, so this is the 10-minute version of the class that we did this week. It's going to focus to side muscles, it's going to focus to glutes, and also, as always, your core and your lower back. So let's come on down to the mats. Line up the heels with the sit bones. Take a breath in, tuck the chin out into the chest, stretch the arms right over your head to the mat behind you. Next inhalation, arch your back up to the ceiling, tuck in the navel, and squeeze to the pelvic floor, push the sit bones down into the mat. Good breath in, stretch the fingertips. Exhale, and push the low back down into the mat, lift up the tailbone. Inhale, arch up again, keeping your core engaged. Exhale, push down into the mat and lift up the tailbone so we massage into the lumbar spine. Inhale to arch right up again, keeping the navel nice and tucked in. Hold it there this time as we fatigue the extending muscles of the lower back. Just hold, continue stretching through the fingertips. Let's take another good breath in. Exhale, now relax your back down into the neutral spine position. Just a little fraction of a gap between the lower back and the mat. If you prefer to massage and push your back right down into the mat, and that feels better for you, you can also do that. Take a breath in, exhale, and peel up the shoulders, hands down into the hunter position. Take a good breath in and begin your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just continue at that pace more or less. It won't be exactly 100 beats, maybe a little more or less. To continue on, extend the right leg out to about hip height or so. Make sure you're quite engaged in the core, that you have your lumbar neutral. If your head gets a little tired, then support with your hand or rest your shoulders and head back down to the mat. To add a little more weight to the exercise, lift up the left leg into tabletop, and if you have a bit more length in the hamstring, you can extend out and up toward the ceiling. Flex the foot a little bit to put stretch down to the calf and hamstring. And 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3. Let's get ready and switch to the other side. Let's first float the right leg into the tabletop position and extend the left foot down an inch or two above the floor. Check in with your core again. If you like, if you have the leg and the hamstring, extend the right foot to the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's take a little rest breath. Tuck your knees, massage out your back. Rock your head a little from side to side. Just release those neck muscles. After our 100, they can get a little tired in that flexed position. And we get ready now to do our side muscles exercise. So let's come on over to the right elbow first. You might need to cushion yourself with a little extra roll on the mat. Stack the shoulder right over the elbow, lengthen out the back. Take the left hand behind the back of the head. Let's take a breath in, stretch right back through the elbow, exhale and touch the elbow down. So let's keep the hips down to the mat for now, as we emphasize the use of the rotating muscles of the trunk, particularly those abdominal obliques. Inhale up and back, exhale and touch down. To now progress the exercise, optionally lift up hips, inhale and back, exhale, touch the elbow down. Inhale up and back, and exhale, touch down. Last one, so. Inhale and back, keep that right shoulder engaged. Exhale to touch the elbow down. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, float up the left knee, bring elbow and knee together. Try to keep this aligned on the right hand side. Inhale, touch the knee down, exhale, elbow and knee together. Inhale, touch down. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Last one, inhale, touch down, and exhale. Inhale, and hold that position. Engage at the core again, engage the shoulder, take a good breath in. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let rest. Come all the way down to the mat. Take a little resting breath here. Very good. So we come over to the left hand side. Stack up on your left elbow, meaning that shoulder is directly over the elbow. Then we align the spine, right hand to the back of the head. Emphasize the rotation first. Inhale up and back. Exhale to touch the elbow down. Inhale up and back. And exhale, touch the elbow down. Inhale, stretch up and back. And this time, if you like, float the hips up. Exhale, touch the elbow down. Inhale, engage in the left shoulder. Exhale, touch the down. Last couple. Inhale up and back. Exhale to touch down. Last one. Inhale up and back. And exhale, touch down. Inhale, lift up and hold. Exhale, try to keep the alignment on your left hand side as you bring the elbow and knee together. Inhale, touch down. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Inhale, float the knee down. And exhale. And inhale, touch down. Exhale, elbow knee together. Last two. Inhale, touch down. Exhale, elbow and knee together. Last one. Inhale, touch down. And exhale. Now let's hold it there. Take a breath in. Begin to pulse. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just take a little rest. All the way down to the mat. Very good. So we come now to glutes, glute max in particular. Come on over to the hands and knees. Maybe take a breath into a back extension. Just release the abdominals. Exhale to a flexion, releasing into the extending muscles of the back. Back into neutral spine, and then rest the elbows down directly underneath the shoulder, so that shoulder is arch. Forearms parallel if you can, or interlock if it feels too much. Back in neutral, step back with the right knee, try to keep the right hip low. Take a breath in, exhale, bend the knee, push the heel to the ceiling. Inhale, touch the toe down, exhale, bend the knee, push to the ceiling. As you continue with this exercise, bear in mind you are focusing to glute max. So avoid lifting the hip too high, avoid engaging the extending muscles of the lower back and the side muscles rather than the extending muscles of the hip, the glute max. So last one, inhale, touch down, exhale, bend the knee. Let's begin pushing through the heel. 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest the knee down. Let's take a little push back, stretch out the glutes, rest the shoulders. And then lift hands and again before resting elbows down to the floor, forearms parallel. Come into the neutral spine position. Step back with your left foot. Take a breath in, exhale, bend the knee, keep the hip low, push the heel to the ceiling. Inhale, touch the toe down, exhale, bend the knee, push to the ceiling. Inhale, touch down. So remember, we want to line up the left hip with the right hip. If the left hip begins to raise, we're probably using the muscles of the back and skipping the glute max. Keep the shoulders engaged, upper back a little stretch down here. Last couple, inhale, touch down, exhale, bend the knee, push the heel up. Inhale, touch the toe down, exhale, and bend the knee. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest down. Push right back down into child's pose. Take a little resting breath. Very good. And inhale, walk your hands in, lift all up. And exhale, come down into the seated position. Feet about hip distance apart, hold on to your knees. Take a breath in. Let's push it over forwards. And exhale, chin to chest. And inhale, roll up and forwards. Exhale, release into your back, massage across the glutes, chin down, chest, and then last one. Inhale, lift up, push it forwards. Exhale, this time let's relax all the way back down to the mat again. Tuck in the knees, a little stretch in. And then resting the feet down. Let's cross the right leg over left, go just as far as you like. Reach down, find the back of the knees. Tuck the knees straight in towards you, aiming to feel a stretch right down through the middle of glute max on the right hand side. Just hold there. One more nice breath into that stretch, tuck in a little closer, and exhale. Let's release, shake out, and then cross the left leg over right. Reach down, find the back of your legs, tuck the knees in, put a nice deep stretch, and release right down through the middle, through the belly of glute max on the left hand side. Just hold there. Chin up to the chest, maybe rock out a little bit if you like, 1 or 2 good deep breaths. Very good. Just release, maybe a little stretch out, a little shake out. So there you go, guys. That's about 7-8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes of Pilates for core, side muscles, and glutes. Thanks so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. We value every single like, every single comment, and for those who comment, I promise to respond to everyone. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.